Hello, guys. Good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. It is Monday morning. What a lot of things that have happened over the past week in here. First off, obviously, Trump was admitted to the hospital on Friday. I have Walter Reed, and they're saying he might be discharged this afternoon. They're going to be giving an update from what I'm seeing here on Bloomberg here. They're going to be giving an update early Monday afternoon here. And with that news, the markets are continuing to climb. Governor Chris Christie from New Jersey is still in the hospital. Other big news here in the market so far from what I'm seeing, the airlines are getting an upgrade. Morgan Stanley maintains overweight on Delta Airlines. If you take a look at DAL here, they raised their price target at $54 a share, quite a bit higher from where she's trading at right now at $32.05 here. So if we zoom out of this chart a little bit, you can see they're raising the price target to 54. I mean, that's right back up to pre-pandemic levels here in earlier February. So we're definitely going to keep an eye on the airlines this week and see if we get any boost from the airlines. Current trades we have on MCD is looking great, continuing that breakout momentum. Probably be looking to take profits right around 265 to 260, or I'm sorry, 226 to 227. And a lot going on this week, guys. So first things first, I want to be looking to take profits on our long calls. Let's see what silver's doing this morning here. Silver, gold, SLV. Silver's getting another little pop here, up almost 1% for the day. Let's see what gold's doing. Gold's up about 0.22%. We're getting a nice lead here. Pinterest is up again about 1.55%. PINS. That's continuing its breakout momentum up to about $45. That's going to be some resistance. If we could break that, I think we could easily see about $50 a share on that. Snapchat is just continuing higher here in this breakout momentum cycle, as you guys could see. So I definitely want to keep an eye on that. Look for possible trades, especially going into the election, something that's not going to be hurt there. Other than that, guys, let's see here. Caterpillar shares are trading higher after the company announces signing an agreement to acquire Ware Oil and Gas for $405 million in cash. So if we take a look at CAT, that's a pre-market mover up about 1.27%. Let's see what else we have here. For the first time in 7 days, the Titans had no positive tests this morning. So DraftKings, DKNG. DraftKings shares pretty flat there on that news, down about 5%. Still trading within the previous candle's body. They're going to be deciding if they're going to be discharging Trump a little bit later today. AMC is opening up its movie theaters across the United States. Let's see what AMC is doing here. AMC is still down about 6.4% here in the pre-market hours, even on that positive news. So we'll keep an eye on that. It's got base support right around $4. So keep an eye on that if you're trading AMC. Let's see what else we have here. Shares of Tesla are trading higher once again. Shares of Tesla at 421.60, up about 1.57%. And that's pretty much going to do it here for the pre-market hours, guys. We're getting a nice move on NVIDIA here as well, up about 1.19%. It's climbing off that 10 SMA. I'd be looking for a 550 target possibly this week if the markets hold up. Of course, we got to watch what happens. Allegiant Airlines was just they maintain overweight on Allegiant Airlines, lowers price target to $174 a share on ALGT. So we'll keep an eye on the airlines today. Look for a possible swing trade on those. See if the markets hold up. We're not going to be in a rush. It's Monday morning, guys. So sit back, be relaxed, be patient, be disciplined, follow that trade plan. And let's look for some good momentum trades today. And I'll be calling those out as I see them. Hope everyone has a great day. God bless and stay safe out there. I'll see you live in about 30 minutes.